So hello friends, my name is Javier. So today we are going to learn about Berzon-Holmes algorithm. Okay, so what is given in case of Berzon-Holmes algorithm? The two endpoints are given on the line. One is I am taking 0, 0 and another one is 4, 3. So in which kind of format the answer is required? Answer is required in this kind of format where serial number X and Y, the point which is going to be eliminated, the pixels are going to be eliminated within this range, that is given by this X, Y columns, and the D and the description. The value of D will be depend upon the description value pi. Okay, so how to find out the value of so let's say the first one, serial number 1. So what is the 0, 0? This 0, 0 is nothing but the x1, y1 value. So just putting that value here, 0, 0. The D value, the D part, the D column part will be filled by, the D value will be given by the equation E1 minus dx. So generally the question may arise in your mind that what is E1? E1 is equal to 2 into dy. And what is dx? Then dx is equal to x2 minus x1. So 2 into dy, dy means y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Dx means x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So 2 times into dy, so E1 will be the 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So E1 minus dx, d is equal to 6 minus 4, it means 2. Okay, E1 minus dx, 2. So here I am putting value d is equal to 2. Now there are two decision making possible there. One is if the d value is positive, means 0 is also considered in a positive. If the d value is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then we need to follow this part. D is equal to d plus E2, where E2 is equal to 2 into dy minus dx, which is 2 into 3 minus 4, it means minus 2. X is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1. And if d is negative 1, if suppose somewhere here the d negative will come, so what is d negative will indicate d is equal to d plus E1 and x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, let's see that the value of d will be clear in your mind from this equation, E1 minus dx. So it is equal to 2. So it is positive 1. Positive 1 means x is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1. So what is written here? X plus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, y plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now further calculating the value of d, d is equal to d plus E2. D plus E2. So E2 value is equal to minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the value of d here? It is equal to 0. So now further calculating for the third iteration, what is the value of d? D is equal to d plus E2 because it is positive 1. Positive 1 means d is equal to d plus E2. So d plus E2, so that d plus E2 is equal to minus 2, 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So I am putting here as a minus 2. Now it is, d value is 0 here. So what is the value of x and y? X plus 1 and y plus 1 from the here. See, these values are depending upon this d part. These values are depending upon this d part. So just concentrate on it. Okay, so here what is x plus 1 and y plus 1. Now this d value will derive this part. Okay, so what is this one is negative 1. Negative 1 means the next d value from this equation we can say that the only increment in the x is required, no increment in the y direction. Okay, so the only increment in x plus 1 but no increment in y, because here it is d is equal to minus. Okay, now if the d is negative, then what is the next value of d? D is equal to d plus E1. Here I am taking d plus E1. So E1 value is equal to 2 into dy means 6, minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. So that's why it is d value is 4. Now d value is positive, it means the last iteration would be x plus 1 and y plus 1. And if I am further calculating the value of d, because d is positive 1, so it will give you the equation d plus E2, positive 1. So that's why it is equal to 2. Okay, Now one thing you need to consider here, suppose I am taking instead of 0 0, if I am putting 4 3 here and if I am putting 0 0 here, so what happens is both the direction it will be decrement. So first point will be the 4 3 and last point is 0 0. So you need to go from 4 to 0 and also from 3 to 0. So at that time what is the modification is required? The modification in this term, x is equal to x minus 1, because it is decrement in x direction, and y is equal to y minus 1. Here also the same, x is equal to x minus 1 here, because it is decrement in x direction, decrement in y direction. So in the same manner, if there is only decrement in the x direction but there is no decrement in the y direction, so what you need to do at that time, x direction will be x minus 1 but the y will be y plus 1. So it is depending upon this endpoint's value. I hope everything is clear in your mind. If you have any query, please comment on it. Thank you.